Hi everyone, this is Jash, and today I am going to speak on the topic My Journey That Night. That unforgettable night seemed innocent enough as I left a restaurant at the city's outskirts. However, my journey home took an unexpected turn when I found the main road closed. With no alternative but to venture through the eerie woods, I had to choose a path I had never taken before. The trees were tall and shady, casting long shadows that filled the atmosphere with darkness. My heart was beating faster and faster every moment. I quickened my pace. I was desperate to escape that uncomfortable atmosphere. As I ventured deeper into the woods, my fear magnified. Every sound, whether it was the hooting of an owl or the snap of a twig, seemed to invoke a feeling of hallucination in me. Sweat coiled down my neck and tentacles of fear taking hold on me. In the massive forest, I felt suffocated by the mysteries and the darkness. And suddenly, the street lamps flickered and died, leaving me panic-stricken. However, I kept moving forward. I was in despair until I spotted a faint beam of light at a distance. With profound determination and hope, I rapidly rushed towards the light source. And finally, I emerged out of the world full of darkness into a world full of warmth and mobility. I realized that even in the darkest of times, there is light to be found. Thank you.